Today we're talking about using prefixes and suffixes on a title format that has both a main title and a subtitle in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This time I'm using the chapter title layout in the Microsoft Word paperback format. So first, let's see what happens when we do the same as we did last time and add tildes before and after the text in the prefix box. As you can see, it puts them either side of the main heading. This means that the text in that box only relates to the main title. Now let's see what happens if we put the line of tildes above and below. Once again, they only affect the main title. Okay, so what happens if we put something into the suffix box? Well, the first thing you can see is that it adds this text to the end of the line of the subtitle. So you might want to, for example, put punctuation at the beginning and make a longer subtitle in some way. But that's unlikely to be the same for all chapters. And as this text is taken from the binder, you'd be better doing that there. Unless it's something standard and you want a different format, for example. But what about if you don't want anything around the main title, but you want something around the subtitle? Well, once again, first, can it be done in the binder? If not, well, we know that anything in the suffix will join to the end of the subtitle. So let's first put in a return and add some tildes there. All well and good. But you might want to change the formatting settings. But what if you want to enclose the title as we did with the main title? Well, that's a little more difficult. You could add this into the prefix box and fiddle around with the line spacing until you got it right. But you wouldn't be able to change the font for that. So you'd have to match the suffix to the text of the main title for it to look the same. So dealing with subtitles is a little more limiting. But this isn't all you can do with these boxes. We'll be covering that in the next video.